Hi, Dr. Bobbi Stanley here with Stanley Institute. Let's talk about an office tour. Do you offer an office tour to your new patients? Why would you do that? Why are they interested in seeing your office? Well, let's start here. This is a wall of history. This wall of history talks about the history of the doctors here and how the doctor's grandfather was a dentist and how these are his tools and the degrees that the doctors have. And then you can walk on through your office and you can show the new patients what you have to offer. This is our sterilization. This is our cone beam x-ray machine. Not everyone has one of these. Oh, this machine over here is for you. If you need a same-day crown, we have it for you. But also, you may want to put up some photos of before and afters or beautiful smiles of your patients so that your patient who is new to your office can see that you do make beautiful smiles. Also, it's very important that your new patients know where the bathroom is, because one thing we know is when people know where the bathroom is, they start to feel more comfortable. They start to feel more at home. And the purpose of the office tour is to help your new patients feel at home because now they have a new dental home. So make sure that you're taking your new patients on an office tour.